Okay guys, I'm going to be using two palettes today. Number one is the Urban Decay Shadow Box, and number two is the L'Oreal in Nude. So first off, I'm going to use this obviously to put in the transition. I'm going to pick up this colour here, I don't know what the name is. I'm going to pick up that light brown shade there. I'm going to take a generous amount because it's just easier. I know what I'm doing now, so I'm just going to pack it on here. Usual guys, just place it here and then take it upwards and drag it in. Make sure I drag it in because normally when I used to cut on eyeshadow, I used to realise that basically it just stops here, and I didn't like that. This brush is actually a bit dirty, so that's why the eyeshadow looks like it's black, but it's actually brown. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change this brush actually. I'm going to take a cleaner brush and just smudge that bit out, because otherwise it's not going to look the same. I'm going to just blend it a bit. So with a clean brush, just pack some colour on there. I always find if I do one eye it's easier because I know what I'm doing, if that makes sense. By the way, I'm mixing 3 brown shades by the way. So I'm taking that one, I'm taking that, and I'm taking that, I'm mixing them all together. Pick. And then what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to pick up that black shade at the end. It's like a bluey black. I'm just going to pick up something with a sharp corner. Just place it like that, just a bit underneath. Just like that. I'm going to pick some generous black. I'm going to place it there. I'm going to place quite a bit first. And just kind of drag it in and blend it in, not taking much of it onto the crease because I'm just going to blend all that out. I always tend to that's gone a bit too down, but I can fix that in my dirty beauty blender. I'm just going to take that big brush that I had and just blend it out. By the way, this is a glittery look guys, so that's how it's going to look. Yeah, just thought I'd show you. Just blend the edges out. I don't know why guys, there's always this eye where I have like lines, so whenever I put eyeshadow on it just doesn't go on there. Okay, now for the exciting bit guys, I'm going to pick up my Urban Decay. I'm going to take this main shadow colour here, just place it on my finger. I'm just going to use my finger. Well actually I am going to go in with the brush as well, so I may as well do the brush bit first. Just placing a bit of that blue and blending it in at the top so that there's no harsh line. In my finger and just getting a generous amount and applying it all on my lid. Now picking a bit more, I'm just going to pick the black from this palette, which has got a bit of gold in it, because it's dirty. I'm just going to blend it in. And now I'm going to take, just blend it in like that, so it should look like that. Now what I'm going to do is, the glitter that I'm using, guys, it's the collection one. I can't actually show you because I have glitter there. I don't know if you can see, but it's basically like that. So what I do is I tip some out, just a little bit that I'm going to need, because otherwise it's just going to get messy. I'm going to pick up my oil glue. I'm just going to place a tiny amount on my finger, because otherwise I'm going to get too much product, just like that. So literally that is all that you need. By the way guys, I just have a habit where I'm always gluing my lashes together. I don't know why, but that's what happens. I'm just going to place this like so. Yeah. So just there. So now I'm going to pick up some glitter. See how, did you see that on my lashes? I'll pick up glitter. Pick it up a bit more actually. And just place it. I have 12 minutes to finish this video. I think I can mess up. I'm going to use all this glitter up here that I have, because otherwise it's just going to waste anyway. And that is all. Now I can show you which glitter it was. This is the colour Splash, and it's the collection's Lamp Crystals. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Maybelline eyeliner, which is black. Guys, I struggle with eyeliner and I struggle with flipping eyelashes, as you are already aware. I think I've used more than one. Yeah, I've used too many brushes today, which means I need to clean all of them. I'm going to take this liner glue. I'm just going to get a generous amount first, because I'm going to be doing my wing. And as you can see my wing there, I'm just going to use the shadow that I have there as an outline kind of. Oh, I think I've got a bit too much on to do the wing first. You can always swipe it on the side and then pick it back up so you don't waste it. I think eyeliner is the one that takes the most out of concentration. Quite happy with that, I just need to clean it up. Guys, when you're going over glitter, just be very careful, because glitter is quite stubborn, and you just have to like really be steady. See what I mean with the glitter. light strokes, so at least I'm getting some of it on there. You know, this ring light is giving off so much heat right now. It's ridiculous. I'm even trying not to breathe, so look at this. I know it looks messy, guys, but don't worry, I'm going to clean it up. I'm just trying to connect that to my lower lash line because how I've done there, because I feel like it kind of just completes the look, if you know what I mean. Just drag it a bit more. Just a tiny bit more. I think that's dropped it again. Dropping clip and everything, that's what I do. I'm just going to pick up that dirty brush again and just pick up a bit more of that brown shade. Just to apply under. And then I'm going to pick up a bit of this bronzy shade here and just apply it in my inner corner. And my bad one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this square detailer brush and just grab a bit on the eyeliner and just do it from inside, like you know that. And doing this side is a bit big. Now I'm using these eyeliner lashes, and again that eyeliner glue. I think I've got so many of these glues out. I'm just going to apply a little bit like that. I'm not picking it up, guys, because this light's blinding me. I just blow it so it gets a bit tacky. Oh, don't you just hate it? I've really got less space here, guys, so it's just a bit of a situation. Let's apply this. Wish me luck, guys. Like that. And now I'm just going to get some mascara and put it on my lower lash line. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. Any comments and suggestions, please leave them down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time with another look.